Hi, Roger Connect, President of Universal Accounting Center. I want to discuss today the Universal Practice Builder and what this program is and how it actually assists individuals who are in the process of building their practices. Generally speaking, people ask, well, who will go through the program? What does it do? How does it help? Let me answer some of those questions for you today. The most common individual to go through the Universal Practice Builder happens to be an individual who has 5 or more bookkeeping or accounting clients, who's in the process of trying to build the practice. Generally speaking, this is a program for people who are needing to aggressively build their practice with marketing strategies that will allow you to take on as many as 4 to 6 clients a month. That's an aggressive strategy. If you've got employees that allow you to grow more aggressively, it can even be expanded further. But for a sole proprietor, that's a pretty aggressive strategy to each and every month be taking on 4 to 6 brand new clients. But that is the design of the program. Sometimes what it is people will go through and implement or use the methods to where they're using them maybe every other month so that they're toggling their growth and sustaining something that they can manage. But it is a marketing program, and that is its purpose. Now, we do have individuals who are starting their practices, who are interested in offering bookkeeping and accounting services, but they, as they start, need to build very quickly. They need something that's an aggressive marketing program that can assist them in literally starting and building their practice, where they're taking on not just a few clients, 1 to 3 each month, but they're literally expanding their services within the market quite aggressively. Now, the way this essentially works is these are proven marketing strategies that basically help the individual go out and become basically the preeminent accounting service within the market. That's the goal or purpose of it. We teach you things that allow you to become what we refer to as a profit and growth expert. This is something that we emphasize quite a bit, allowing you to more distinguish yourself amongst the clients as to what it is you do. It's not just bookkeeping, it's not just accounting, it's not just tax, it's not just QuickBooks services. You're literally going to take on this role of what we refer to as a profit and growth expert. Now, as for the program, I just want to break it out. It really goes through a variety of things. One, it does an assessment of you and what personality type you are and how you communicate with business owners. And then it helps you also identify what types of business owners are out there as you're working to build your practice, so you can understand what communication needs they have. You'll run across, as clients, individuals that need very little information from you. They just want the reports done and they want to understand that you've done them properly. Others are going to be wanting detail and they want you to share that. Well, you might be inclined to share all this information because it's just your nature of being an accountant, and you may have clients that don't want that level of information. They want you to know it, but they don't feel they need to necessarily know it. Well, you need to know when that's the case so that you don't frustrate your clients, and the opposite is true. You may not be in a situation where you feel they need to know everything because that's your job, but they in fact are a client that do expect to know everything about their own business. And so you need to understand who those individuals are and how to best relate to them and what information they're needing to run the business. We go through and do a SWOT analysis. We go through and do an exit strategy. These are various things within the Universal Practice Builder that we do to assist you as you're starting and building your practice. Many people who have partners appreciate this program because it allows the partners to identify what their greater strengths are, and in the business emphasize those so that they're each doing what they enjoy and what they're best at, so as to help maximize the success of the company. The other part of the Universal Practice Builder program is, as you come to the end in your practice, it's always important to understand what the exit strategy is. Once you've built what you've wanted, what then comes next? And we address things such as how to transition, what opportunities can present themselves, whether it be selling the business and so forth. So it's not just a matter of building the practice, it's then also asking the question of what next and helping you go through that process. For many, it's hiring employees and kind of stepping into the shadows. Whatever the case may be, it's your business and we're helping you accomplish your dream. As for marketing, it's one of the most aggressive marketing programs out there that I've seen related to starting and building successful accounting, bookkeeping, and tax practices. With this, we provide a great deal of support and assistance in implementing the strategies that we offer. You're able to pick from the various strategies which you feel most comfortable with. I can tell you right now that of the more than 20 that we're using to grow and build our own practice, Universal Accounting Services, you're able to implement these strategies as you feel most comfortable. There are at least right now 6 strategies that we know are being very effective in acquiring clients, and that's probably where we would encourage you to start, and we would, through the coaching, and assist you in identifying which are the most appropriate for you. The other thing that you'd want to understand about the Universal Practice Builder program is, from a marketing point of view, it literally only takes about 2 weeks to go through the program to really understand what those strategies are and determine what your goals are for your practice. But then what we do is we offer to all of our students a 12-month program where we assist and work with you in the implementation of those various strategies. So keep in mind that we're here to help you, and most importantly, address what it is you need to do to start and build your practice. We have our own practice, Universal Accounting Services, where we've tested and emulated a lot of these things. We currently have 40 clients, a very sizable practice that we're very proud of, and we're able to, with that practice, help you do the same things that we're doing that we know actually work. So with that in mind, take care, have a wonderful day, and realize this: if it's about accounting, it is universal. Take care.